Here's how to add custom brushes in Photoshop. First of all, we have to download brush presets. So go to your computer browser and search for download brushes for Photoshop, and I suggest to open this website. So in this website here you will find lots of free brush presets. In this file type section, select brushes, and here you will find lots of free brushes. You can go ahead and download any of them. So now let's download this Grass 6 brush presets package. So I'm clicking on the package and clicking on free download. And here we can see my brush package successfully downloaded. Now go to your file explorer, go to download folder. Here you will find your brush zip file. Now right click on the zip and extract the zip file. And here we can see the brush package name is Grass Photoshop Brushes 6. Now it's time to import this brush in our Photoshop. So go to your Photoshop and select the brush tool and click on this brush preset picker. And here click on the settings icon and click on import brushes. Now go ahead and open the folder, which folder contains your brush, and select the brush. Click on load, and now here you will see the brush package. Now expand the folder, and here you will find all brushes. Now go ahead and select the brush, and you can change the brush size from here, and that's it. Here as you can see, the custom brush successfully added and working perfectly.